James Hayes with Dawn's Appliances. Today I just wanted to talk a little bit about what you get with a fourth drawer on a French door refrigerator. It's a question I get a lot. What are the benefits? And it's a couple really simple things. A, it's an ability to access pieces inside of here without opening the whole refrigerator. And it's a great place if you got young ones. You can put their snacks in there, your yogurts, your string cheese things, so they can access it without it getting in. And then, for other potential options, you'll notice that there is a convertible temperature option here. So you can actually adjust these temperatures anywhere from 40 degrees down to 29 down here. And of course I have it locked right now, so we can't change it. But, down here at this 29-degree point, that's going to give you the option to freeze meats and fish and other things at a soft freeze temperature, so they can potentially last a little longer, but they're not 0 degrees where you have to let it defrost for an entire day, where you don't have to microwave to worry about it. So it'll give you a little bit longer food preservation. And then a lot of people will use this for actual wine storage. There's even some models that give you a Bev center in the center here versus traditional refrigeration. So it's just a little bit of convenience. Some of the customers see a lot of value in it. Not maybe for other people, not as much, but I think that it's a really neat feature that's out there and available on most brands. If you want to know a little bit more about brands that offer this four-door refrigerator, check it out on dawnsappliances.com or stop into a showroom. Thanks for watching.